proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service alarm tone during potentially dangerous weather situations. Especially equipped receivers